Accomplish more with productivity-enhancing accessories for your Optiplex all-in-one. An additional monitor doubles your screen productivity with a complementary design. Enjoy a clutter-free workspace with a Dell wireless keyboard and mouse. Dell Pro Stereo headset brings lifelike clarity to your audio and is certified for Microsoft Skype for Business. Skip the login with simple one-touch Dell wired mouse with fingerprint reader. Easily secure ports and accessories with an AIO port cover. Fine-tune your view with a height-adjustable stand with optional DVD RW drive. Or bring everything into reach with an articulating stand. Get the most out of your Optiplex all-in-one with powerful Dell recommended accessories.
There's always too much to do at home, so get a helping hand from Acer's Aspire Z24 all-in-one computer. 2 digital assistants are ready to help you. With far-field technology and 4 digital mics, you can give instructions from anywhere in the room. Get help with homework, look up recipes, and check your to-do list wherever you are. When it's time to get hands-on, it's a pleasure to interact with the borderless 10-point touchscreen. Effortlessly switch between apps with ease. The Full HD IPS screen gives you perfect color and brightness for watching movies or creating perfect photo memories from any angle. Acer's eye-protecting technologies mean you can enjoy these incredible colors and comfort. These great features make the Z24 a perfect home computer. There's no limit to what a family can do, working separately or coming together.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Ernie Gonzalez, an online product specialist for Alienware, and today we are going to review the new Alienware Aurora R11. This beast of a gaming rig is receiving a performance-first update. Alienware is pushing performance to all new levels with the introduction of Intel's 10th gen processors and an Alienware-first liquid-cooled graphics solution. I've got the Aurora R11 model with a liquid-cooled 10-core Intel i9 10900K CPU, a liquid-cooled NVIDIA RTX 2080 supercard, 32 gigabytes of HyperX DDR4 XMP memory, and a 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD. For network connectivity, it's got killer Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1. I've got the Aurora R11 paired with the stunning Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor, the AW2720HF, with 240Hz refresh rates and crisp high-definition display featuring FreeSync or G-Sync technologies. The new Alien Effects RGB LED lighting adds an instant iconic look to the Aurora while letting you customize using Alienware Command Center. For the lunar light option, they have added a new front-facing lighting ring that is unmistakably unique to the Alienware language. While we are focused on the front here, let's talk ports. The front features 3 Type-A USB 3.2 ports, 1 Type-C USB 3.2 port with PowerShare technology, as well as 1 headphone line-out port and microphone or line-in port. The rear ports feature SPDIF digital output coaxial, a SPDIF digital output toslink port, RJ45 Ethernet port, 6 Type-A USB 2.0 ports, 4 Type-A USB 3.2 ports, 1 Type-C USB 3.2 with PowerShare technology port, and a plethora of audio surround sound ports. Once inside, the Aurora features a 1000 watt PSU, which is another first for the gaming desktop. Talking about Alienware first, let's take a look at the all-new liquid-cooled NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Supercard, branded the Rad Card. Our partners at Asetek really hit this one out of the park. From its innovative PCIe-mounted heat exchanger and smart fan blower design, the Rad Card not only solves for liquid cooling solutions in a tight space, it runs cooler and quieter than air. Plus, it looks pretty sleek if you ask me. But let's talk about what we all want to know. Performance. Let's start with airflow. The Aurora's updated design ensures airflow moves more fluid and efficiently to decrease temps at the voltage regulator by up to 8% compared to its predecessor. Lower temps and more efficient airflow increases performance and maintains stability to keep you going cool for those long marathon gaming sessions. Here we are tossing Cinebench and Gears Tactics at the new Intel i9-10900K processor, and it handles everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. Paired with Nvidia's RTX 2080 Super and topped with liquid-cooled solutions for both, Alienware stops at nothing to deliver quality any performance enthusiast out there can lust for. The Alienware Aurora R11 is that new powerhouse on the block. With its refresh including Intel's 10th gen processors, liquid-cooled Nvidia RTX 2080 Super, and 32 gigs of HyperX XMP memory, this beast will make a believer out of anyone. With no lack of power and a thirst for performance with cooling to match, what more is there to say? The Aurora is here to stay. Well, thank you guys for tuning into the Alienware YouTube channel. I'm Ernie Gonzalez, and I hope you enjoyed my latest piece of content featuring the new Aurora R11 by Alienware. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ding that bell. Drop me a comment down below. Until next time, stay safe, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace!
This is Ghost Canyon. It's the latest NUC from Intel, also referred to as NUC 9 Extreme, and it's unlike any NUC you've seen before. NUC stands for Next Unit of Computing, and when you think of NUC, this is usually what comes to mind. But Ghost Canyon is radically different, and that's because it's a powerhouse for gaming and content creation. And for serious stuff, there's even a workstation variant called Quartz Canyon. It's also a little bit more workplace appropriate without that skull on the side. So why is this NUC bigger than this one? Well, first of all, it's not really that big. When you consider it's got an integrated power supply, like a full desktop, that also means you don't have to carry around a power brick. The key reason, though, is that it's the first NUC that supports desktop discrete graphics that you can upgrade, like this Asus GTX 2070 Mini. This 8-inch card was specially designed to fit in the Ghost Canyon system, and more cards like this are in the works. Now, for more graphically demanding applications, other OEMs can and have made their own designs that can accommodate higher performing graphics cards. More on that later. Now, NUCs are a way for Intel to show how much PC can fit into a small form factor, and that is where this comes in. This is the Intel NUC Compute Element, and inside are CPU, RAM, storage, Thunderbolt, dual gigabit LAN, and even the ability to drive 3 displays from the integrated graphics alone. It's also got some modularity too, so you can choose your own RAM, storage, like SSDs or Optane drives, and upgrade it later. This NUC packs a high-end Core i9 with 8 cores for 16 threads with hyperthreading, so it should be plenty powerful for the foreseeable future. But come upgrade time, the idea is that instead of completely disassembling your desktop, you just pop in a new compute element and you're basically done. Most people will have to change their motherboard anyway when doing a major CPU upgrade, so this really isn't that different. It's a lot more simple though. This 5-liter form factor is one of Ghost Canyon's outstanding features, but it's not the only way it's done, and Intel's partners are putting their own spin on this design. At CES, Razer showed off the Tomahawk using the Compute Element. It's got a longer design that's toolless and slides out like a sled, and also accommodates full-length graphics cards. This one from CyberPower takes a similar approach by using a case from Cooler Master that also has room for big graphics cards. Then, there are others, like AData, who are sticking with our compact design but offering it in other colors. Are you looking for something even more compact, and you're good with the integrated graphics? Well, this stacked solo enclosure houses the Compute Element on its own, because remember, the Compute Element has all the essential parts to a PC. Speaking of compact design, Ghost Canyon is perfect for taking to LAN parties with its 5-liter size. The Core i9 model even comes with this case that keeps it protected, and has a carrying strap to make it easy to move around. And the case has a cool hidden feature. Check this out. NUC 9 Extreme systems should be showing up in channels in the second quarter, and more will be coming from partners throughout the year.